Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. I'm going to be using this really cute sticker set. I can't remember who it's from, but I enjoy that very much. And I'm going to switch my planners from my white kind of wintry planner to this planner. This is probably my favorite planner. I love it. And I got this from Sunday Dots. If you go there on Instagram, you can find it. And it has some pages in it already. I'm just going to take those out and I'll switch those to the white one because that's all I do is I just switch them out. This came with a planner. I had some information in here, but I just switch it out when I am not using that planner. So I will leave this one open so that I can use it. I'm also going to switch out my two cute little, the mousse and the hot cocoa. I'm going to use a hedgehog and a donut just because I think those are cute. And let's go ahead and take out the pages that I need for this week. We're going to be planning the very last part of February and the first part of March. So it's February 26th through March 4th. I'm going to just go ahead and take these off, and I'll probably just leave them in this planner because they're still usable. They're kind of bent up and, you know, loved a little, but that's okay. And I will switch out everything in here into the other one, and I'm going to leave this open so that I can see what I did last week in case I need to copy some of it for this week. Alright, so I just thought this was really cute. I love these whales and I love the colors together, the navy and the pink. So I'm going to start with a piece of washi just right down the middle. And I have had several people ask me just recently what my inserts were. And they are from jeepaperie.com, and I'll spell it for you. jeepapeterie. So check them out if you are interested in getting these pages. And then I just have a recollections binder. The white one is a recollections binder, and then my other one, like I said, is from Sunday Dots. And she customizes them. I will say that she takes a little bit to get them to you because she makes them each one. So you know, it takes 2 or 3 months to get it to you, which when you know it's being made just for you, it, you know, totally makes sense. It's just hard to wait when you know you're getting one because you're so excited. Okay, so it's been a while since I've planned with these and I'm kind of forgetting how I did it. So same card 2 ways and tips. I need to remember that. Same card 2 ways and tips. Okay, now so I won't have to remember it. Same card, 2 ways, tips, and ask what y'all want to see. So let me just ask that now. I'm kind of wondering, I know that I did a video earlier in the year, or maybe late last year, to tell you about my channel for this year and what I'm planning on doing and how I'm handling things. And so I think I have been living up to that commitment. But if there's something that you guys would like to see more of, or if you'd like me to change anything, or you know, I'm not saying that I necessarily will, but if there's something that I can do for you guys, I will try to do it because this, you know, I'm I'm on here because I like to teach you and I like to share my crafts and ideas with you guys so that you can do it too if you want, or you know, just to give each other support and confidence. And if there's anything that you'd like for me to do that you'd like to see, or you know, want more of, just let me know and I will see what I can do. I know somebody said that they wanted some more knitting videos, so I honestly haven't knitted for a few days, maybe even a week now, which is weird for me because I have been doing it so often. But I may, you know, need to pick that up and do some more of it. Trying to decide which stickers to use. So for this planner, I just like to write some things down that I know I'd like to do this week. And I like to make sure that I use this for my Stampin' Up! Business and for my YouTube. I wonder if there's anything blue. Nope. Well, I'm going to put it down here. Erase that off. And let's see, I'm just trying to put some stickers down just to honestly have them down. Now that I'm doing this, I kind of wish there was a little more blue in here though. Maybe I'll use this to add a little bit of blue. Happy Mail, I'm going to put that down on Monday because I want to mail some Happy Mail to my daughter. And this one kind of looks like Happy Mail. I'm going to put it here because that should arrive to her then. It's nobody's birthday this week that I can think of. And I don't usually track that kind of stuff in here anyway. Let's see. Paydays are usually on Fridays. I'm going to put that down here. I like that it's blue too. Gives it a little more blue. Although the washi is nice that it's blue. And maybe I'll put a few of these things around just because they're cute. Little things. Today, I like the polka dots. Okay, so let's go ahead and write some things in here. I'm going to put comments. I'm going to put mail, care package to Katie. Comments. Comments, tips, this day is my jewelry party, and it's going to be live on Facebook. If you go to Cynthia Lou, L-O-O, Who, W-H-O, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all the jewelry is $5 a piece. It's crazy good. I've done some hauls on it. It's called Paparazzi. I'm going to put card series. And I'm going to put Plan With Me, and I need to do a one sheet wonder, and card and coffee, or coffee and card maybe I should say. I need to plan that and let you guys know what that's going to be. That's a series where I'd like to make a card using Stampin' Up stuff and sharing with you guys what I used and what card it is. And then later in the month, if you guys want anything, you can order it, and it usually takes a week to arrive, so I'll plan it at least 2 weeks out, and we can make the card together. So I thought that might be fun. Let me see what I have up here. Oh, project. I might like to do that. I'm going to put a project here. And I think that might be it. These are really cute leftovers. I think my friend Tracy will like those. I will send them to her or make her come and get them. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out my stuffings from here. And this too, I'll use that. And I'm gonna put these in here. So that's just the way I store it. I'll just move them until I don't need them anymore. And then I like these two pins in here. I have one in here, but I'm going to switch it out. Okay, so now just going to put these all in here. And I need to turn to now. Okay, and then I will put, I think I'm going to put my hedgehog on this page, and I will put my donut on the monthly page, and then I'll keep that there. And we can put these two pens here. And I need to do end of month for Stampin' Up. Alrighty, so then I'm going to just attach this here so that I'll have it with me in case I need it. It's just a hard drive or whatever that's called, not a hard drive, a USB drive. So So there we go. Hopefully it'll still close. Yes, indeed. All right, cool. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.